Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a LAFUFU unboxing. I'm not obsessed with these, but they're popular, and when I found out that you could attach these to bags, I was very interested. So this one I think my friend opened already. She sent these to me. She bought them from Pop Mart and decided she had too many and sold me some. So this one, she couldn't decide whether she wanted or not, so she sold it to me. Ah, these are cute. This is the first time I'm seeing a real one, and I say that because, full disclosure, this one here is a LAFUFU, and I don't know if I could really tell the difference. I mean, I guess maybe this, the brown one, this is the fake one. It's softer. I mean, no, it's not softer. It's a little bit more like matted. This fur feels softer. Oh, the light's coming out now, so you can kind of see it better. But I mean, I don't think I could really tell a real one versus a fake. I really couldn't. Let me see. Tags are maybe different. I don't really know anything about these. I'm not obsessed or anything. I guess the bottom is different. I don't know. I mean, they both look really good to me, but I really wanted the brown one, and this was hard to find, so I bought a fake. But this is a real one. It's very, very cute. I love the color, and I can't wait to see which bags I put on. So I can't wait to see that. So let's see. All right, so this one's a real unboxing. All right, let's see here. I'm always afraid of cutting the bag and it's too close. Let's see, here's a pink one. I don't know their names. Like I said, I'm not obsessed. I just think they're adorable. This is cute. Look at that. I love the red eyes, and it's so pink, and it's really soft. How cute. All right, I think I know which bag to go with this one, and I'll show it at the end of the video so you guys will see. I know there's stuff inside the boxes, but like I said, I'm not obsessed. So I just want the doll. Oh, look how cute this one is. It's kind of like a gray, and look at its eyes. They're like closed. It's got this giant smile. It's really adorable. They are very soft. I could see the appeal. I mean, only because I can attach these to bags, that is why I wanted them. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't care as much. Okay, so this is the last one. So cute. It's like a minty colored one. All right. I will put these on some bags, and I will show you how they look. Do you like this trend? Leave me a comment below if you love it or hate it. Would love to know. Okay, so here we are. I have this mint green one on my pull-in bag. I think it looks very cute. Don't know the names, I'm sorry. Probably should have memorized that, but I'm not an expert and I'm not obsessed. So I have the LAFUFU on my LV Milazim Speedy. I mean, can you really tell that that one is fake? I mean, maybe the hairline is like not straight or something, but it still looks very cute. And the fur is a little matted, but it's fine. It's supposed to look like a bear. So here's the pink one with the red eyes on my Hermes Picotin 18. And then I've got my denim Kipal, and I put the gray one on it. I mean, look at this face. It's so cute. And then on my Eggplant City, my Balenciaga 2004, I put the lilac one on because I think that matches very well against the color. So here we are. Here's the full shot. What do you guys think of this trend? Let me know in the comments. Do you hate it? Do you love it? One last question. Do you leave these tags on that are hanging out of their butts? Do you leave them on? Do you take them off? Do let me know. All right, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.